the shower and I'm going to be doing my skincare. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy. I'm not leaving the house, so yeah, but I must say I'm quite happy with how my skin is looking. What I pretty much do is every month I go for a monthly facial at Heyday, and obviously I see my dermatologist. I think in my previous Instagram post you would have seen that I do have chemical peels done. I have the V peel done every couple of months. My dermatologist did recommend not more than 3 times a year. That has greatly improved the pigmentation from my previous acne scarring and just the overall look and health of my skin. I would highly recommend getting a peel if you're someone that suffers from acne. But yeah, very happy with what my skin's looking like. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. So let's get into my daily skincare routine. So let's do it. So this is the first product I use. I actually use the face wash as well, which I used in the shower. Then I have the Micro Daily Foliant, which is just one of the best exfoliants because it's not too harsh, but it does, you know, give your skin a good clean. So I love that. And then after that I always go in with this guy. Absolutely love this stuff. So the next item I'm going in with is my Clinique Moisture Surge. This is the 100-hour one. We just generally get a big tub of this guy. It lasts a long time and a little goes a very long way. You can see very luxurious, like smoothie, velvety texture. Love this stuff. So I just love how hydrating it is, but it's not very greasy, so it's definitely one of those OG products that I absolutely love till this very day. Next item I'm going to go in with is my sunscreen. This is the sunscreen I use. I absolutely love this stuff. I've been probably using it for about 2 years now, and it's like one of my favorite sunscreens. If you ever get a chance to try it, highly recommend it. It just blends so nicely and it doesn't leave a white cast, so absolutely recommend this stuff. If there's anything you're going to do in your skincare routine, always ensure you have sunscreen. There you go, nice dewy skin. Makeup free days are what I have most of the time. I only put on makeup when I'm going out the house. I don't know, obviously going forward, if I'm doing this whole vlogging thing, there's probably new days that I might do the whole, you know, full glam or, you know, a touch of makeup, but for the most part I'm actually enjoying being makeup free. My skin is doing so much better, so if that's what it takes, we're gonna do it. But anyways, let's get dressed. I just thought I'd show you guys my little outfit. This is what I'm wearing today. I actually love this little set. I got it from Target. It is from a brand called JoyLab. So it's their tights, and then it's got like this kind of scalloped bra. I'm wearing a large in the tights and then a medium in the sport bra. That's what it looks like from the back. Absolutely love this set. I think I might even just get another. I always you know, get the Fabletics sets, but those are usually very colorful. I like that I have this in black and it's easy for, you know, doing stuff around the house and errands. So I'd highly recommend this set. It's definitely not see-through. It's got good support. Yeah, so that's the outfit of the day, and some Uggs just to keep warm. It is definitely getting cooler, and I'll just probably throw on a top, but we need to actually start getting my boxes situated for packing. So let's get into it. So just got the banker's boxes, so I'm going to start assembling these boxes so that I can start packing. These boxes are quite sturdy, so hopefully not too many. I think I got 8 boxes in here, so let's start assembling the boxes. Boxes packed. You would have seen me do that in the video. I have kind of done a little cleanup where you kind of chuck things out. So I started with that I think just Friday, Saturday. So right now what I'm going to start doing is just get the smaller items like the little vases, the candlesticks, coasters, that sort of things, all the little things packed up together, and then start getting to like the kitchen stuff. But yeah, exciting. So just taking a break from packing up a few things. In fact, I had to place an order on Target for bubble wrap and some tape because my building concierge didn't have any in recycling. So I thought, okay, well, just place the order. Then it is a pickup order, so I'll go down to Target and collect it. But in the meantime, I need to unpack the dishwasher and just maybe grab a coffee. So let's unpack the dishwasher quickly. If you will, I just popped out to Target. I placed an online order for pickup. Gotta love America for these things. Yes, so I picked up the items from Target. I needed bubble wrap and some steady tape. Yeah, so sorry I didn't take you guys with me because it was literally, the order was already, I got an email to say the order's ready. So it was literally just a pickup, but I'm going to be heading off home and I'll chat to you in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm back from Target. I picked up the rolls, which is perfect. So this is the bubble wrap that I picked up, and it's got perforated edges, which is like 12 inches. So it's going to be perfect for wrapping up like picture frames, smaller stuff, and just make the packing process a lot easier. Yeah, so I'm going to continue to pack up some stuff and I will chat to you guys.